Damn, it's hot outside today, boy. Sheesh. What's good, you guys? It's your boy Sean back with another vid. And yeah, today we got a simple install that I'm gonna do for you guys. This is something every Civic owner should have in a car, no matter what year, no matter what Civic. Every Civic should have this. Is just a must. It's a box. You guys should have a box on your Civic, so make sure you buy a box. The best thing you can ever invest in is a box for your Civic. I'm lying. All right, so let's get to the video. Yeah. All right, so these are our window visors for your Civic. I got a 2015, so these are made from my car, exactly from my car, from 2012 to 2015. This is exactly from my car. So yeah, basically, all you have to do is, oh shit, wrong side. Okay, let me get the other one. Ah, there you go. All right, so basically, all you have to do, they come with 3M tape on the back. Make sure you clean right here and right here. Just clean like where you know it's supposed to go, and line it up where it's supposed to go. So like that. So you line it up where it's supposed to go. Make sure you clean it up too. I mean, the fitment's not gonna be perfect, but you can try to get it perfect as you want it to. It's not gonna be perfect, but hey, it's whatever. Oh yeah, by the way, I bought this off of eBay for 20 bucks. Could have went with an expensive one, but I didn't see no purpose because they're just visors. I'm not gonna pay 50 bucks for some damn visors. So yeah, I went the cheap route and got some eBays. But I guess they look pretty good after the install. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mock them up with some duct tape. Well, not duct tape, pairing tape. I'm gonna mock them up on the car, and yeah, I'll show you how I do that. Let's get it. All right, so I mocked them up, and this is how it looks. Sorry for all the damn dust. I don't know why this shit's so dusty, but yeah, basically how it looks. Fuck with it, fuck with it. That's a thumbs up right there. Alright, so since I already marked up me seeing how it's gonna look, what I'm gonna do next is just clean all right here. So what I'm using right now is alcohol, so you just want to clean all right here. Alright guys, so I got them installed. So yeah, it's a basic install, to be honest. Like it's really basic. You peel off the 3M tape that's on the back of this. And then damn dog, shoot, I don't know if y'all can see the dust, but god damn. But yeah, you pull off the 3M tape that's on behind the visors, and you carefully just put them on. That's really it. Show you a good view of the car with them on. Actually like the look a lot. Car just needs to be lowered now. Just need to drop that dick. Cap them high. Yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. Hope you guys will like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna drop the link down for the visors in the bio. Oh yeah, by the way, I have some merch called Civic, just like the channel. It's like my own little type of clothing line that I started. So if you guys interested in some hats, we got these in distressed. We got these in distress, and we got another one that's red. If you guys go on the website, you guys can see it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, hit it, subscribe, smack that like button, and I'm out. Peace.